Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping to my channel, my name is Atunike. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous knotless box braid, jumbo box braid on my daughter's hair. My daughter's name is Alimat, so I'll be sharing with you all how I achieved this gorgeous knotless braid on Alimat's hair. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much. So guys, you can see what I'm doing now. Just picking the hair out. I cut the hair into three. Then after cutting the hair into three, I pick the hair out. After that, I brush the hair through so that it will be very smooth and it will look so beautiful when I use it to braid. So this is my daughter. Her name is Alimat. So this is her hair. Her hair is a natural hair. So I've already sectioned the pattern of the hair. I've already sectioned it out. That is the hair I'm going to be using to braid the hair on the rack so that my work is going to be easier. I've already sectioned the 3-step I'm going to be using for the knotless braid. So now I'm going to braid a little. I know this first step is not really kind of showing, but just keep on watching. I'm going to still be making another place where I'm going to be showing you how I did it. Then I go in with the first one, I turn my hand twice. Then with the second one, 1, 2. Then I go in with the third one, 1, 2. Then I braid through, as in I braid it down. I didn't finish braiding the hair to the tip because we are going to add in a little spice at the tip. I'm going to be making the tip to be a coiling pattern, so keep on watching. I'll try to explain this part better again. I section the hair into 3, then just braid it like 3 times or so. Then I pick the first braid, I had it 1, 2. Then I pick the second one, add it 1, 2. Then I pick the third one. Sorry, I picked the third one. Then I had it. Then I braid it down. Very easy to achieve, easy way to achieve your knotless braid without you even making any mistake or confused. So guys, keep on watching. Thanks so much for your support and love. I really appreciate you so much. If you want your hair to come out on point, you can add edge control or gel to the roots, but I'm not going to be adding any gel to the roots or any edge control, because I want the hair to last for like 2 or 3 weeks. So if I had gel from the beginning or edge control, the hair is going to get rough on time, which I want to maintain it to up to 3 weeks. So I'm going to be adding mousse. I'll use it to lay the front, no gel. Feel free to add gel or edge control if you like, but I'm not going to be doing that. After that, I'm going to lay down the scarf. I'll trim the excess, I'll trim it out to make the hair look so neat. She really wanted me to add pink hair, so I had some pink hair. I don't know what she's seeing, pink or purple hair color. I don't know why she's kind of falling in love with colored hair suddenly. I don't know why. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to be braiding the tip of the hair. I didn't show where I dip it into the hot water, but I showed the process where I braid the tip and when I'm taking the braid out. This is what I'm doing. I braid 6 strands of braid together, 6 strands, braid it down, dip it into the hot water, then unravel it. Now I'm taking the braid out. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to be adding some hair oil to the hair to add some shine. Already as in falling in love with the final look of the hair without me even showing the final look to everybody. She just saw the side at the mirror. She was smiling. She was really over happy, more than happy with the color, with the beauty of the hair. You can see when I removed the scarf, she was really happy. Guys, this is the final look. Oh my god, she really fell in love with the outcome of this look. Wow, she really love the hairstyle so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, share with your loved one, comment down below. See my next video. Stay blessed. I love you.